All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to take our solubility notes in your science notebook. So just flip to the next blank page. The previous page should have had your density notes and your magnetism notes. All right, so go ahead and title the top of the page, Solubility Notes. All right, so the first term we need to make sure we understand is this term dissolve. All right, and I do want you to write this definition in your science notebook. So to dissolve means that it's going to spread out evenly in the liquid. Now, this could be a liquid or a solid. Solids that dissolve in a liquid actually become liquid. They change from solid to liquid. So this is why when you dissolve sugar or Kool-Aid powder or some kind of sports drinks mix powder into the liquid, it's no longer a solid anymore, at least if you mix it up well. It actually becomes a liquid as well. So if you need to, go ahead and pause the video and copy this definition for dissolve into your notes. All right, the next definition is the definition of solubility, and solubility is just the ability of a solid to dissolve in a liquid. So is it soluble? Does a solid dissolve in a liquid? So go ahead and write that definition down in your notes as well. Pause the video if you need to. All right, the last thing we're going to write in our notes is just some examples of things that are water soluble. So water soluble means that the solid will dissolve in water. All right, it has the ability to dissolve in water. So a couple of examples, and we're going to get some more examples when we do our lab work later. But sugar will dissolve in water. Salt will dissolve in water. Sand will not dissolve in water, which is why we have sand on the bottom of the ocean and the bottom of lakes and rivers, is because that sand is not dissolving in the water. Iron filings, which are just tiny pieces of iron like iron dust, they will not dissolve in water. All right. Water, though, is often referred to as the universal solvent, which means lots and lots and lots of things will dissolve in water, but there are some things that will not as well. All right, pause the video if you need to, and make sure you get this in your notes as well.